Hello! Today we've got quite the unboxing to do. We've got a few packages actually, and they are big ones. So let's just get started. This first one, I don't know which box has which thing in it, so we're just gonna go as I go, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so this first box, oh, here we go. You might know what I'm getting into just based off of this first box. So here we got a microphone. What could that be for? And we got a smart tag. These things are cool because you don't need a subscription. It's Bluetooth. All right, next one. Not in frame. There we go. Okay, what's in this one? Box number 2. What could that be? Oh, it's a charger. This is a 100-watt fast charger. Very cool, from Anker. And these are charging cable. It's USB-C to C, but they're 100 watt. 100 watt. All right, next up, another largish box. What could be in this one? Oh, some kind of carrying case. Oh, it's a camera case. Wow, a camera case. Let's crack this open. Oh yes, very nice. JJC camera case. Oh man, this is kind of heavy. Let's get in here. This is quite a heavy box. Alright. Oh, we've got a Fujifilm. Oh snap. There's not enough space here. Okay, let me just... And... another Fujifilm box. Let's just do the big boy first, shall we? Get it out of the way. So we got a Fujifilm XT5. There's the sides. Amazon sticker. Wow, that's a nice touch, Amazon. Thank you for defacing my nice fancy box. Alright, now this is used, but it said like new. So it should still be pretty shiny and sparkly. Okay, I got a box. Got some kind of paper. A warranty card. Alright, now what is this? Oh, the bag is kind of shredded up there. Alright, here it is. The Fujifilm XT5. It is used. Got a little bit of smudging. Nothing too crazy though. There's that screen. I'm going to be putting a screen protector on there. We've got a smudge here. Like new, yeah right. There's like marks right in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's marks inside there. We'll have to test that out. And there's the battery hole. No battery? SD card slots. Connection ports. What about this little box on the side? Curious little vessel. Okay, we got a strap. There's a strap. We got some cables. That's a C to C. And we got adapter for travel. Baggy. A wall adapter. Ah, there's the battery. Alright, cool. It came with the battery, that's good. And another travel adapter. And a headphone jack to USB-C. And another adapter. Cool. A lot of adapters. And a strap. Very nice, Fuji. See if it turns on, shall we? I mean, I know we got a lot of unboxing to do, but I gotta know if it works or not, right? For a used item. On. Okay. Doesn't show anything. Oh, the cap is on. Oh, there's that sensor. 40 megapixel sensor. Very shiny. This is a lens. It's a zoom lens. 16 to 55 millimeter zoom lens. There we go. All right. Now this is a pretty beefy lens. It apparently weighs quite a bit. Oh, it's upside down. All right. Let's just put that to the side for a second. Ooh, there's a sleeve for it. I was not expecting that. So, we got the lens and we got the hood. Okay. It's just a plastic hood, but seems okay. All right. There's the XF red label. All right, let's take a look at this. How does that look? Pretty good. Nice and shiny. All right, and the actual outside of the lens, a little dusty, not too bad. Let's see. Wow, that feels heavy. All right, let's turn it on. Ah, now I'm seeing things. Yes. It's an external zoom, so that means it goes in and out, which apparently is not great, but it is weather sealed, so this is my first ever like real camera, so it's kind of new to me. Let's open up the smart tag. Okay, there we go. Quick start guide. Let's just take it out first. Ah, there's a thing. Let's take that out maybe. That's probably the battery saver. Oh, it just turned on. Push it. Oh, and it pops the drawer out, which you can then, oh my gosh, which you can then pull out the battery. There's a rubber seal for weather resistance. Very exciting. Everybody loves power brick unboxing videos. What? Got a little manual there. Nice. And there's the brick. That was not pretty. Okay, wow, this looks very smooth. I like the texture on the edge here. Nice logos. All right, 100 watt. And this thing pops out. I like it's kind of small, you know, like it'll fit between two other plugs. All right, I know I already unboxed it, but let's just open it up. Crack it open. Okay, so we got a Velcro flap here with a weatherproof, more or less weather resistant SD holder, and then you got a nice zipper that's basically weather resistant as well. It's a very sturdy feeling case, like it's very inflexible, which is great for carrying a camera that's extremely expensive. Oh, it doesn't open up all the way. It's an accordion style. It's got foam. All right, so I got this to be like, okay, it fits. It fits, yay. Okay. And then you seal it up, boom, you're ready to go. And it has the thickest, sturdiest freaking belt loop that I've ever seen. Heavy duty looking. Let's open up the microphone, which goes on top of the camera. Let's cut this plastic tape. Here. Just slide it out. It's extremely light. Oh, it folds open. Okay, there's the mic. We got this foam cover. I did order a dead cat to go over this. So it's a shotgun microphone, and it goes like this, and it, you know, it points to whatever you're recording with your camera. So that's nice. And it comes with this shock mount cable. Okay, there's one, and there's two. Now it goes on here. You gotta take this out. All right, let's rotate the bottom one. Okay, yep, so it goes onto the side here. One of the cool things about this Rode is that it comes with these little nub things here, so you can kind of thread it through and weave it to shorten the cable so it's not like just hanging like this. Boom, baby. How does she look, boys? Looking pretty good there. I got it because I'm going to Disney later, and I want to take some nicer pictures than whatever my phone can do, which is what you're watching right now, my phone. Oh yeah, it has like, do that for like down shots, and you can do this for like up dogs. All right, well, I'm gonna be spending the rest of the day fiddling with the settings on this bad boy, so catch you later. Thanks for watching.